Hello students, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be solving the revision assignment on the topic atomic structures. Let's move on to the assignment. Here the first question. Cathode rays originate at cathode and travel in straight lines. It indicates, right? So we know that cathode rays generally origin at cathode. It moves in a straight line. It indicates the straight line propagate. It indicates the straight line propagate. Propagate means transmit or spread. So the cathode rays whenever originate from the cathodes, it transmit like straight lines. So the correct option is straight line propagate. That is the first option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. So a light pedal wheel placed in the path of the cathode rays. We know that cathode rays can perform a mechanical work. Whenever if you keep a light wheel pedal while in between the path of the cathode rays, the cathode rays will rotate the light pedal. Cathode rays will rotate the light pedal due to the perform the mechanical work. So the answer is it rotates the light pedal. The correct option is second option. The correct option is second option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the third question. When cathode rays are allowed to pass through an electric field, they deviate towards. We know that cathode rays are generally negatively charged rays. When you apply the electric field up through the cathode rays, it will deviate to the positive plate. It will deviate to the positive plate because those cathode rays are negatively charged rays. So the correct option is positive plate. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the question is, when cathode rays are made to pass through a magnetic field, they are deflected in direction corresponding to the presence of the dash on the particles, right? So here cathode rays are applying towards the magnetic field, right? So towards the magnetic field they deflect, but the charge of the cathode rays won't change. So we know that cathode rays are generally negatively charged, right? So when cathode rays are made to pass through a magnetic field, they are deflected in direction corresponding to the presence of negative charge. So the correct option is second option. Second option, negative charge. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the fifth question. Cathode rays present through thin sheets of dash and other metals. So these cathode rays will penetrate the metal like aluminium, gold, this kind of. So here the answer is aluminium. The cathode rays are penetrates through the thin sheets of aluminium and other metals. So the correct option is third option. So cathode rays penetrate through the thin sheets of aluminium and other metals. Clear? With this I come to the end of the session. Thank you very much.